Are you wondering or looking for the best gift ideas to give out to your loved ones on a special occasion, such as Valentine, birthday, wedding anniversary, and many others? Worry no more. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you in a step-by-step guide how best you can give out a special gift with Binance gift card. Excited, right? That is some amazing stuff right there. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. If you find this video exciting and informative, kindly do not forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. So going straight into the video, Binance gift card lets you choose from over 270 cryptocurrencies, as well as the option to include a personalized message and customize your digital crypto gift voucher before gifting it. If you do not have a Binance account yet, click the link in the description to register a Binance account and get to enjoy a 10% discount on all your trading fees. After that's said and done, let me quickly show you where to find Binance gift card. On the home page of Binance, click on More, then click on Gift and Campaign. After that, click on Gift Card. So you can see here, Binance gift card store has been grouped into two sections, where we have the DIM gift card and the token gift card. With a token gift card, let's say you have some tokens or cryptos you want to share with a friend. You can do that with token gift card at a 0 fee while sending. The most interesting part of Binance gift card for me is the DIM gift card. So let's assume you have a loved one you want to wish them a Valentine's Day but do not know the best gift to give them. Binance Valentine's Day DIM gift card will be the best idea ever. There are quite a number of the DIMs you can choose. Also, maybe you have a fellow who is celebrating their birthday, wedding, or want to thank them for a good work done. You can select any of these, but I'll be going for Valentine's Day because we have Valentine's Day coming. So after selecting your preferred gift card, select the currency you have available to gift. In my case, I have USDT available, so I will search for USDT in the search bar. Now we have to enter the amount we want to send. I would like to share 75% of my portfolio. After that, we click on Buy Now. Then we go ahead to confirm. A two-factor authentication will pop up. Once you complete it, to confirm the transaction, the amount will be deducted from your spot or funding wallet accordingly. You have successfully created your Binance gift card and you can now send it to the person via text message, email, or send to their Binance account directly. That is how to send Binance gift cards to your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Peace out.